a grabarse para que lo tengan ahí a la mano. Lo demás realmente no era tan necesario porque pues al final de cuentas nada más era práctica. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So that is the first mistake. The second mistake is with the word women. All right, is this one. La palabra women, por otro lado, por alguna razón se pronuncia de esa manera. Sabemos que woman se pronuncia así, que es woman con A, pero al momento de cambiarlo a plural, por alguna razón se pronuncia como women. La razón no estoy seguro, realmente no la sé, pero sin embargo así es como debe pronunciarse, women. Okay? De ahí en fuera todo lo demás, bastante bien. All right, so now let's continue with... ¿Quién me falta? Esme. One thing is for sure.
Yes. One thing is for sure. It's a lot work. Sorry. It's a lot of work keeping up. Ay, no veo. Perdón. Yes. Ya puedo.
Keeping up with the
Eh,
latest.
keeping up with the latest fashion trends and expensive. Maybe the. Ay, otra vez no puedo leer. Maybe the best way to make a fashion statement is to do your own thing and not follow fashion at all.
Okay. Just remember, when you see a word that ends with an S, you have to exaggerate just a little bit the S. Fashions. All right? Just a little bit. So you can identify if you're talking in singular or plural. All right? Thank you very much. That sounds good. Now, on the other hand, let's continue with America. America,
Yes.
a few days ago,
Um,
is the first paragraph again.
¿Dónde está?
Is the first paragraph.
Yes. A few days ago, I point out. Es el. Ok, es que lo tengo en el libro, es mejor porque no alcanzo a ver.
Oh, okay. I pointed out.
Okay. A few days ago, I pointed out my 12-year-old niece to a friend. She's the one wearing braces, the pink ones. I realized at that moment that braces are now a fashion statement. Can you imagine? But then, did you ever imagine that plastic shoes with holes in them would become so popular all those years ago? Or that you could buy little charms to wear on them?
Okay, that is good. Just be careful with this word. You pronounce it as nice, but it is niece. It is not the same. Usually the words with a combination of IE are going to sound like a long E. All right. Usually it is when you have like this combination. Not with all the words, but most of them, yes. So that's why you pronounce it like niece. All right. The other one that you said that is nice, it's like NICE. So nice. That's different. And because of that, well, there is like a little confusion because they are almost the same word, but the pronunciation is different. This one is niece, and that's it. All right, that's the only one. And by the way, for the part of the verbs in simple past that are regular verbs, here we have a word that ends with the letter T and then it has the ending ed. That's why it is pronounced pointed. All right, so that's the only thing. So who is missing? Is missing only Cirilo, right?
Okay.
All right, you can continue. But that's the great thing.
But that's the great thing about fashion. You're never quite sure what's going to become the in thing. Take glasses. Big glasses came and went, and then everyone wanted designer glasses with a logo. Men wore glasses with heavy, black frames for a time. Then colored frames were the in thing, and some people didn't want frames at all. Glasses too became a fashion statement, and people wore them even if they didn't need glasses.
Okay, that is good. Just pay attention in this. The word came is pronounced like this. The word glasses is pronounced like that. It's pronounced like that. La diferencia entre utilizar la palabra came con la palabra glasses es en la propia pronunciación de la letra A. Para esto hay una regla que es un poquito rebuscada, pero más o menos es así. Si tienes una palabra que contenga la letra A, después contiene una consonante y después contiene la letra E o cualquier otro tipo de vocal, nosotros lo que vamos a hacer es que la primera A va a sonar como A. Por esa razón es que palabras como came and lake se pronuncian de esa forma. Pero cuando esta regla no es de ese estilo, pues la A suena como A. Por esa razón es que glasses suena de esa manera y no es glazes. Entonces, esa es la situación con esta palabrita. Se pronuncia glasses porque tienes la letra A seguida de dos consonantes. Y acá tienes la letra A seguida de una consonante y una vocal. Esa es la regla con la cual tú puedes identificar eso. Obviamente no lo vas a hacer mientras estás leyendo, porque pues no tenemos el pensamiento tan rápido, pero es una cuestión de costumbre. Nada más recuerda eso y trata de que se vuelva una costumbre para cuando en futuras ocasiones lo pronuncies de manera correcta. All right?
Okay, teacher.
So there you go. Those are the exercise. Well, that is the exercise. We still have time. So we're going to continue with the next one. As you can see here, there it says, read a blog again and answer the questions. What does the writer say that braces are now a fashion statement? Do you remember that? Why does the writer say that the braces are now a fashion statement? Why? What is the main feature of the braces that he mentions that now is a fashion statement? It's very, very easy. Let me go back. There you have it. So why do you think, or why does the writer say that the braces are now a fashion statement? Anyone? Why it is a fashion statement? No? Okay, don't worry. I am going to help you out a little bit, only with this one. Here we have the information. A few days ago, I pointed out my 12-year-old niece to a friend. She's the one wearing braces, the pink ones. I realized at that moment that braces are now a fashion statement. So what is the feature of the braces that make this girl realize that her niece or the braces were a fashion statement? No one? Sure? You give up? ¿Se rinden?
Because
I don't
have
understand the
different.
question.
All right.
Because-
Okay, tell me, Aide. Sorry.
Because have different colors.
Exactly, because they have different colors. The question over here says, why does the writer say that braces are now a fashion statement? Porque el escritor dice que los frenos o los brackets, que nosotros conocemos como brackets, son ahora un grito de la moda, o son, o están de moda, por así decirlo. And she say that because she says, there is my niece, the one with the pink braces, because now the braces are from different colors. In the past, they didn't have any color. So because of that, it was not part of the fashion. But by now, since you can choose the color that you want, now they are fashionable because of that. All right? The number 2 says, what shoe style became popular years ago?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, the question was, what shoe style became popular years ago? You have it on the first paragraph.
Plastic shoes.
Yes, exactly. The plastic shoes with holes in it. Thank you very much. And yes, it is that one. Actually, are these ones, the Crocs. Los que conocemos como Crocs. They are ugly as hell, but they are very, very famous. and they became popular a long time ago. And since then, they have sold thousands, and I can say millions of those kind of shoes during these years. So there you go. The number 3 says, what 5 styles of glasses does the writer mention? All right. What are the 5 different kinds of glasses that the writer mentioned?
Heavy black frames,
Okay, heavy black frames. What else?
different color frames,
Color frames,
Big glasses.
big glasses,
um,
War glasses.
which one, sorry?
War glasses.
Well, wear glasses means that they use them. La palabra wear significa usar. Entonces, ellos
Usar.
usaban. But what else? You already mentioned 3. We're missing 2. Nos faltan 2. You said big glasses,
heavy black, colored,
heavy black,
um,
color frames. Those are 3. You're missing 2. Les faltan 2 nada más.
Designer glasses with logo.
Designer glasses with a logo. And the last one?
fashion statement.
Ma'am, no. All right. People in the past like frames on the glasses, but soon people didn't want frames at all. So what is it, that one? It's the only one that you're missing. Es la última que les falta. Think about it.
Without frames.
There you go. Without frames, exactly. Without frames. Las personas ya no lo querían con marcos, los querían solamente el puro lente, sin el marco como tal. So there you go. Those are the 5 styles of glasses. There you go. There you go. Do you know anyone who wears any of them? Well, I wear the heavy color frame.
Just for sun.
All right. Yeah. All right. How many hairstyles of men does the writer list? How many hairstyles of men?
Ponytails, shaved heads, and cornrows.
All right. So they are 3: the ponytails, shave heads, and cornrows. Those are the ones that they mentioned. And yes, that is true. Cola de caballo, pelones, o con rastas. Bueno, no es cierto, rastas no, son
Trenzas o así en la cabeza, ¿no?
Sí, son las trenzas pegadas al cráneo. De hecho, se les dicen cornrows, porque al momento de hacerse las trenzas, pues sí parecen
surcos.
Sí parecen los surcos de maíz, ¿no? O sea, sí. It is because of that. All right. The next question says, what is the opposite of baggy jeans?
Skinny.
Skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans. Exactly. Yes, it is like that. The skinny jeans are the opposite of baggy jeans. What is the difference between them? Actually, you can see them here. The baggy jeans are called like that because they are really, really loose. And also they are called like that because they have many bags in it. Se les llama baggy por 2 cosas. Número 1, porque son muy, muy, muy holgados. Y aparte de eso, porque tienen muchas bolsas. Son los que decimos que son pantalones de cholo. Esos. Y los skinny jeans, y los skinny jeans, pues es lo contrario. Son los que son pegaditos al cuerpo. So it is because of that. And which style do you prefer?
Skinny.
Skinny. You prefer skinny jeans? Really?
I am so, how to say, delgado, think.
You're so thin. Okay, that's good. Okay, are you bragging about it? ¿Nos estás presumiendo? ¿Qué onda? All right. What about you girls? What about you boys? Which one do you prefer, baggy jeans or skinny jeans?
I prefer skinny jeans.
Yes, why?
I don't know. I feel more comfort.
You feel more comfortable. All right, that sounds good. Yeah, I mean, like being comfortable is one of the reasons that you would like to use this kind of jeans. Finally, the last one that we have here says, what advice does the writer give about keeping up with the latest fashion trends? What is the advice that he gives at the end?
Maybe the best way to make a fashion statement is to do your own thing and not follow fashion at all.
Yes, that is good. Yeah, actually, that is the the advice that she gives. But the keyword here is not follow fashions at all. The rest of the sentence that you said, or the rest of the information that you said, is not as important as the last part that says not follow fashions at all. So that will be the last answer. And with this, we finish today's class. Con eso terminamos la clase del día de hoy, chicos. Espero la hayan disfrutado, la verdad me divertí bastante. Espero que ustedes también. Y pues bueno, con eso terminamos. Nos vemos mañana a la misma hora, 6:30. 6:30, no es cierto. De 8 a 9:30. Es que a las 6:30 tengo otra clase. De 8 a 9:30. Y pues para los que son nuevos y para los que no sepan, solamente se toman clases de lunes a jueves. Entonces mañana sería la última clase de la semana. Esta es nuestra tercera semana de clase. La próxima es la semana de cierre. Terminamos con la última unidad. Y el jueves voy a hacer así como que un mini examen para cada uno de ustedes, pues para checar conocimientos y todo lo necesario para que puedan seguir en valga la redundancia, en el siguiente curso, que ya sería el curso 9. Pero por lo pronto con eso terminamos la clase del día de hoy. Nos vemos mañana. Que tengan excelente noche. Cuídense, descansen.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
See you, sir.
Bye, 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 bye.